Hey guys, it's our day off again today, and because it's our off, we're spending our time with our fur babies. So amo sa silang laag-laag guys, kay sometimes sa na sila makagawas. Every day off ra gyud namo kay working man ilang mga mommies.
Working moms.
So here's our fur babies again. Here's our eldest, si Kuya Spy. Hi, Kuya! Ano siya ang eldest, guys? And the second, here is Riri! Hi, Riri! And this is Coffee. Ang bunso. Hi, Coffee!
Coffee boy.
Riri! So excited na ni sila, guys. They're very excited kaya makagawas na. So, every time gawas mi guys, kay naging sila ilang own bag. So, here, para sa ilang water. Extra diapers. Their doggy biscuit. Dog wipes. And the leash.
We have
mga
new
leash.
stroller.
And ang ilahang
Poop
poop bag here. This one guys, ang pinakabag ko. Their stroller. Ayun, it's ready. We got it last night ragyod sa, I think sa Shopee. So pet stroller gina siya guys. Ang maximum nga ma-carry is 15 kilograms. So for those fur parents nga nadiri sa Bacolod City guys, there are several coffee shops nga nag-allow og pets bisag indoor. And this coffee shop that we are going is the Lazy Hound Cafe. So it's near La Salle nga school. Ano siya amo ang adtuan because they are pet friendly. And the babies are really excited to go out na gyud. Look at Riri, oh. Excited na kay na siya. Riri! Hey, Coffee! Coffee is just 3 months old pa guys. So, hindi pa niya siya pwede maputlan. Labong na kayo yung hair. Hello! So, here's the situation guys. Spice Pie is here sa second row. Hi! Coffee and Riri is here. One moment. This is the Lazy Hound. Sige. Tara. Let's go. Lazy Hound. So we ordered something guys, coffee and cookies. Here. These are the cookies. Here's Dai Dai.
Coffee boy. Di nang kita mo ice.
My free treats for fur babies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Treats. Okay ra kay tulo ra man ni ang big. Ang mga small di pwede.
Taste na mo. Di ay bila.
Free treats from Lazy Hound.
Treats. Sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet. Kat, pilian naman lang yun, Spy. I-check pag yun na niya. Uy! Dali na. Dali na. Spy!
Okay, this is the situation after 1 hour. Ipang gutom na. Try daw.
Video is Zay Zay.
From Lazy Hound, they have a free treat for the fur baby.
Video is Zay Zay. Being
I-try.
is it healthy?
I-try daw niya. Ano sa lasa?
Ang manok. Ituslo ko na si Mong Drake.
So again guys, diri mi sa Lazy Hound. This is near Lasal. Ayan. So actually beside Lazy Hound is this Pause and Play Pet Club. So guys, we're done with Lazy Hound. And nagtambay mi dito for like 2 hours. Na-enjoy ra pud sa mga babies ilang pabugnaw dito. Yeah, naghatag ang staff og treats for the fur babies. And so karon guys, we're going to another spot. Madto mi og Bantayan Park dito sa Bago. So it's like 30 minutes from Bacolod. Kay mag-walking ang mga babies. So lapad na siya guys na park. And it's actually beside the river or dagat. Yeah, basta body of water. And naapo dito yung mga kanang restaurant. Pero masing mag-walking lang gid mi sa mga babies. So, kuyog gigapon mi guys.
Ako ang ginahon tain ni Coffee.
Look at Riri guys. This is his good position that is a car. Tanaw-tanaw lang sa mga people. Kuya Spy is there naman sa second row.
Yum yum.
Solo siya dito sa second row.
Pudi ka.
Si Coffee kay nag-sleep. Ang baby. Alright, we're here in Bago City. Bago. Welcome to Bago City. Bago City.
Welcome to Bantayan Park, Bago City, Negros Occidental, Philippines.
Here, welcome to Bantayan Park.
Philippines.
We're finally here sa Bantayan Bago Park. Or Bantayan Park. Ano siya guys? It's a long stretch of okay. Okay, so si Coffee and si Kobe kay gisakay na lang sa stroller. Mga babies. Eto. There. Ano siya guys, ang river ba ni?
Bago River, mani.
Bago River. Excited guys si Spike, si Riri. Pero ang dog walker. Dog walker. May pa si Kuy Kuy kay Chilra. Pinaka-excited si Spy. Okay. Naka 2 rounds na may walking. But these babies, sakay lang. So si Kobe guys, kay ano na siya, I think going 3 months pa pod. Babies! Coffee boy! So now, nag-rest na lang mi diri guys. Pabugnaw. And we're waiting for the sunset. Pictorial time.
Coffee boy!
Coffee! Hi! Hello! Mahangin ba sa labas? Hello! Riri! Coffee!
Dali, oy, dali, oy, ibalik!
So guys, we're done here sa Bantayan Park. It's now 5 p.m. And manguli na pod mi balik sa Bacolod City. So here's Dayday and MM and our fur babies. So guys, mo to amo ang day off for today. So guys, sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe sa among channel, do subscribe, Angel Vlogs, and hit that like button if you liked our video. So until our next vlog guys, bye-bye!